If you want to remove the page number from the first page in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to hide the page number on page 1 while keeping the numbering on the rest of your document. This is really useful for reports, essays, letters, and professional documents where the first page should look clean and polished. If this video helps, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to edit. Once your file is open, move your mouse to the top or bottom of the page, depending on where your page number is placed. Then double-click inside the header or footer area. This opens the header and footer editing mode, which lets you change elements like page numbers, titles, and dates. Now look at the ribbon at the top of Word and click on the header and footer tab. In this tab, find the option called Different First Page and check that box. This is the key setting that allows the first page to have a separate header and footer from the rest of the document. Once you turn that on, Word will separate page 1 from the other pages. Next, click directly on the page number that appears on the first page. If the page number is in the header or footer, select just that number so it becomes highlighted. Then press Delete on your keyboard. That removes the page number from the first page only. The page numbers on the following pages should remain in place so your document keeps its numbering format without affecting the rest of the file. After that, take a quick moment to make sure everything looks correct. Scroll down to page 2 and confirm that the numbering is still there and that your document is formatted the way you want it. When you're happy with the result, click Close Header and Footer to exit editing mode. And that's it. Your first page no longer shows a page number in Microsoft Word. This is one of those simple word tricks that can save you a lot of time once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips, formatting guides, and office productivity shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.